Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just sharing with you guys how I'm able to refill a pulled frontal wig. Yeah, so this is how the hair came. A client of mine just dropped it off for me to refill, and you see how scanty it looks. So in this video, I had to take strands of hairs from the wig, then use the strands of the hairs to fill in the pulled parts of the closure. Frontal rather, yeah. So if you want to learn how to ventilate properly, I have a detailed tutorial on how to do that, which I will be linking in the description below. And also, if you have any question, do not hesitate to ask. Drop your comment in the comment section, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because you will get value for their subscription. Here you will learn a lot of hacks on how to style your hair. So this is the final result. This is how it came out after the refill. Hope it looks fine. Have a blessed day.